So I guess the most important question that can be posed in all of these segments on 25 years is, why you? And I suppose if we reflect upon each of the preceding segments, why you? Well, where are you on the face of the clock dial? Perhaps this is a moment in your life where you don't just want, but need something to change. Why you? This can be the vehicle that creates that possibility of change. The next thought, why you? Well, today, do you get paid only on your own efforts? Today, do you have the possibility to separate yourself from the generation of income? Today, does your job, career, profession, or business, does it provoke in you personal growth? Are you developing new skills and new character attributes that round out your entire life experience? See, then we could consider why direct selling, why network marketing, but we could tie to that more specifically, why you? If any of those things that I just described are areas where you would like to have a change, then that could very well be why you. Next, we have to contemplate and consider and bring together this thought of the keys to the creation of a large income, and then add over the top of that and why can you? Not just why you, but why can you? Well, because the vehicle has today been presented to you. Here we have this vehicle KANNAWAY, which I assure you is going and will go the direction that you and I want to go. Second, why you? It's because the opportunity exists today for you to not just occupy the vehicle. In fact, the vehicle is a roomy vehicle with only a few participants, and it is begging, it is searching for, it is looking for that next key critical component in leadership. Why you? Maybe you want to be that component. Why you? Maybe as opposed to being key critical leadership, maybe you simply want to be a part of a community whose primary purpose is lifelong personal growth and development. Part of a community that has a desire to help other people in all aspects of their life, not simply their financial aspects. Maybe your vision, maybe your mission in life is to expose to others the possibility of what CBD, we are the CBD company, what CBD can mean in their lives. Why you? There are some parts of this that only you can answer. Why you? I can imagine why. It's because perhaps you've spent the last year, 2, 3, 5, 10, or a couple of decades preparing yourself for a moment of profound opportunity. This is such a moment. Is it the moment for you? Personal timing is what will dictate that. Why you? I'm not sure. But as I've interacted with people over the course of my life, what I find are so many well-intended, talented people who simply lack the proper opportunity, the proper moment of opportunity, and a group of people who are willing to engage themselves personally in the process to help each one learn, grow, develop, and become what they must to fully harvest the value of that moment of opportunity. Well, here we are. We know why we said yes. It's up to you to decide why you. I hope you'll look carefully and arrive at the same conclusion that I have.